1538, March 27, 2026. Right now marks 2,248 hours of progress on the Global Heart simulation. Currently, a system has been created that can accurately calculate line of sight quickly for thousands of points in 3D space against thousands of objects. And so, as a demonstration here, the number of rays is 4,000, and the number of obstructions in this level is 2,000, and the performance isn't completely destroyed. It's actually better performance than expected, though it isn't necessarily great performance. It could be improved. Now, looking at this in the game view only, since the editor view actually tampers with the performance by drawing the rays. Without drawing the rays, the frame rate is okay, but the frame rate isn't the actual indicator here. The most important thing is actually the frame time, which does appear to be a bottleneck because the system is using the CPU entirely, so currently no multi-threading and no shaders for the line of sight. Of course, the engine itself is using shaders for the actual 3D objects, but the line of sight system is just using a rather simple method for the rays. It's not that it's doing anything clever, it's just that it's not doing anything obviously that would obviously destroy the performance. And so to improve performance, what can be done is actually manipulating the density of rays, and there are a couple ways to go about that. One is to increase the spread between rays, and that instantly can improve performance. As seen here, that does seem to improve that. And another way of improving the performance is by decreasing the actual area that the is being calculated for the view, and so that will improve performance as well. And so the intention going forward is to better optimize this so that it can work with the voxel system in order to create a fully three-dimensional fog of war system that can take line of sight into account. And so this does appear to be working quite well, or better than expected, though as said, it wasn't that it was optimized, it was actually just quickly thrown together. And so it does appear to be working well when the object is rotated upwards and downwards, and when it's rotated completely to the left and completely to the right, it works well. But the only issue for now seems to be when the object is rolled, some of the rays get flattened, and so the intention going forward is to better optimize this in order to have it work with the voxel system in order to create fully 3D fog of war.